Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a paper box. Fold the paper into two equal halves. Press well. Now another fold. Again press. Open it. Now fold a triangle from one side, then from the second one, from the third one, and finally the fourth. Again, folding a triangle from one side, then from the second one, and from all four sides. The same step, press well. Open it. Now fold from the bottom and the top. Press well. Now fold as shown in the video. Following the creases, now press. Repeat the step from the other side too. Alright, now fold a box. Now from the other side, the same step. Repeat this step from all four sides. Okay, now we have a square-like structure. Again, folding it into triangle leaves. Now from the second side, press well and repeat this step from all the sides. Press well, now open it and press. Again open it and press. Open and press. Repeat this step from all the sides to have a star-like shape. Now fold it outwards from all the sides. Now again from center to outward from all four sides. And it's done. Now pick it up. Now fold the corner from all four sides. And done. Fold it into two halves to form a shape, and it's typically done. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more origami tutorials. Shipping it, and it's done. See you in the next video.